Hello, today I want to talk to you about acting on clutter now. Don't rearrange your clutter. Don't move your clutter from here to there. Don't think about and plan your clutter, decluttering over and over and over again. Act on that clutter. So we work in zones on my plan. We work in zones. And so this week we're in the kitchen. So if you have clutter in your kitchen, work for 15 minutes in one area. Don't walk around, stay right there. Make sure you have a bag, a box, and a basket, and put the garbage in the bag, the giveaway in the box, and the put away that goes somewhere else in the basket. Act on your clutter now. Complete the process. Put the garbage in the garbage can, the giveaway in the back of the car, and the put away in the places in the house that it belongs. So act on your clutter. That's how it'll get done. You'll be doing something every day, and it's going to make you feel so much more peace, and you're going to have a streamlined house.